Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my morning routine. So the first thing I normally do when I wake up is, of course, kiss my husband. And then I normally check my phone, I check my emails, I check my Instagram, I check my other social media platforms, and I see what I have for the task for the day. After that, I normally go straight to the bathroom. And I always brush my teeth, regardless if I go to the gym or not. I like to brush my teeth first thing in the morning, and I also like to wash my face. So for my face wash, I'm going to be using my Tula Purify Cleanser. I love this cleanser. I've been using it for a while. And then after that, I'm just going to put on my shower cap and go into the shower. I wash my face separately because I don't like water from the shower head running on my face. So I normally wash my face before I go into the shower. After showering, I am going to jump into my skincare. I first use my Tula Hydrating Day Cream. I apply that to my face. And then I use the Tula Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. I absolutely love this eye balm. It has this cooling sensation and it really helps with my under eye. After that, I'm gonna go in with my brightening treatment drops. This drops has vitamin C in it, so it's really good for hyperpigmentation. And lastly, I'm gonna use my daily sunscreen gel by Tula. I love their sunscreen so much just because it doesn't leave a white cast. Before doing anything else, I have to make my bed. It is so important to make your bed first thing in the morning, just so you can start your day on the right foot. I'm gonna drink me a glass of water because that wakes you up. For breakfast, since I didn't go to the gym this morning, I'm probably gonna go to the gym in the afternoon or evening. I'm just gonna have eggs and that's about it. I get my protein, my nutrients because of the eggs. I have 2 eggs when I'm not working out in the morning. Once my egg is done, I'm going to be taking my vitamins. These vitamins are the vitamins I've been taking. I get really tired and sluggish sometimes, and it's only because I don't take my vitamins. So I try to take my vitamins every morning. I take One A Day Women, I take fish oil, and I also take iron pills. I've noticed that me taking vitamins every morning is definitely giving me energy. So this concludes my morning routine. Sometimes it does change, but this is my morning routine whenever I don't work out in the morning. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to link everything in the description down below, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.